Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with the crypto trading bot on the Bitget app. Now on the Bitget app, there are two ways you can make money with the trading bot. One is through the AI trading bot or using an existing trading bot, and the second way is using a trading bot created by yourself. Now, some weeks ago, I dropped a video on how you can make money with an existing trading bot or with an AI trading bot. And then I invested $100 in it and I showed you guys how much I was able to make after 7 days. Now, if you've not watched those videos, the links to those videos will be in the description below. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the second way, which is by creating a trading bot yourself. So in today's video, I'll be creating a trading bot on the Bitget app and I will invest an amount of money into it and leave it for some days. You guys will also be the one to determine how many days I should leave it for. Now, the reason why you are doing this, in case you don't know or in case you are new to my YouTube channel, the reason why we are doing this is to be able to see which one is better between creating a trading bot yourself or using an AI bot. So we want to see which one is better. And also at the end of this challenge, I'll be talking about the one I prefer, whether I prefer to use an AI trading bot or a trading bot created by myself. But before we go into all of the details, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femelani. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now, the first thing you want to do is to create an account on Bitget. If you don't have an account on Bitget, you can use my link in the description of this video below and you'll be getting $20 on your first $100 deposit. So if you don't have an account, click on the first link in the description below and create an account right away. Now, once you have your account, the next thing is to deposit your money on the Bitget app. Again, if you don't know how to deposit your money, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, once you've created your account and then you've deposited money in your Bitget account, the next thing is to go to the trading bot page. Now, to go to the trading bot page, there are different ways. First, you can go through the home page. Now, if you are going through the home page, just come right here and click on more. And once you click on more, you see where you have trading right there. And then you see where you have bots. So you can see where you have bot right there. If you click on it, it will take you to the trading bot page on Bitget. But in case you don't want to go through the home page, you can go through the trade page. So at the bottom side of the screen, you will see where you have trade. Now, once you click on trade right here, at the top, you see where you have bots. So once you click on it, it will also take you to the trading bot page. Now, once you're on the trading bot page, the next thing is to go ahead and create your trading bot. Now, to create your trading bot, you can come right here. You can see where you have create a bot. Just click on the arrow in front of it where you have all. Or you can come to the bottom side of the screen and click on create a bot. So once you click on create a bot right there, it will show you the different kind of trading bots you can create. So in my previous video, I already mentioned the different types of trading bots we have on Bitget. You have spot grid, futures grid, spot position grid, futures position grid. You have a lot more right here. But the most popular ones are the spot grid and the futures grid. But I'll be picking the futures grid because it was also the futures grid I used for the AI trading bot. So I'll be using the futures grid for this one right here. So I'll go ahead and click on futures grid. So in case you don't know, the futures grid is just like a trading bot that is taking futures trades for you. So that's just the meaning. And then the spot grid is just trading bot that is taking spot trades for you. I hope you understand. Now, once you get to this page, you'll see where you have AI and you see where you have manual. So AI here is when you want to pick an existing trading bot or an AI trading bot, which we did in my previous video. Again, if you have not watched that video, the link to that video will be in the description below. But for today, I want to be creating a trading bot myself. So I'll come to where I have manual. So let's take it back to manual. Now, the next thing you want to do is to pick between long, short, and neutral. Now, remember, this is futures trading. Futures trading is a type of trading where you can make money when the market is going up and you can make money when the market is going down. For example, if you do analysis and say, oh, Bitcoin will go up today, that means that you want to long. But if you do analysis and say, oh, Bitcoin will go down today, that means that you want to short. But if you say, oh, Bitcoin will go up and down today, that means you are neutral. I hope you understand. So let's say, for example, you want to predict that Bitcoin will go up, you click on long. If you want to predict that Bitcoin will go down, you click on short. And if you want to predict that Bitcoin will be up and down, which will be neutral, you just click on neutral right here. But for this video, I'll be picking long because I think Bitcoin will be going up. So that's the first decision you have to make. Remember, this is a trading bot you are creating yourself. So this has nothing to do with AI at all. It has nothing to do with AI. Take note, you are creating this yourself. So any profit or loss you make with this it is on you. So you have to take note of that. Now, the next thing is to pick the price range. Now, what is the meaning of this price range? Now, let me put an amount there first, then I explain. So let's say, for example, as at time of recording this video, the price of BTC is 57,400. So I'm going to set my lowest price range to be $52,000, and then my highest price range to be, let's say, $62,000 also. Now, what is the meaning of this? This means that in as much as the price of Bitcoin is between $52,000 and $62,000, this trading bot will continue to take trades for you. In as much as the price of Bitcoin is between this price range, the trading bot will continue to take trades for you. That is just the meaning. So if the price of Bitcoin goes less than $52,000, the trading bot will stop taking trades for you. And if the price of Bitcoin goes above $62,000, the trading bot will also stop taking trades for you. But if it should come back down below $62,000, then it will continue taking trades for you. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So that is just the price range. So you can just play with the price range right there to see. Now, once you pick your price range, the next thing is to select your grid. Now, for this, you can select between 2 to 190. But the grid you can also select also depends on your price range. But the maximum you can ever go is 190. Now, for this price range that is $52,000 to $62,000, how will I know the highest number of grids I can have? So if you put 190, which is the highest, if you put 190 right there, it will change it to the highest possible grid you can have. So that means that the highest possible grid I can have is 67. So you can see 190 is the highest you can go. But if I put 190 there, it will change it to 67. Why? Because 67 is the highest number of grid I can use because of the price range I am using. So if you increase your price range, your grids can also change. If you decrease your price range, your grid can also change. Now, what is the meaning of this grid? Now, this grid is just, in basic terms or in layman language, it's just the number of times this trading bot can take trades for you within that price range. What this means is that between this price range, the highest number of times that this trading bot can take trades for me is 67 times. So this trading bot can take trades for me 67 times within this price range. So I'm trying to explain all of these things in basic terms. So I'm not using complex words for this. So that's why I want you guys to understand it. So this means that this trading bot can take 67 trades at a time for me within this price range. For me, I won't be using 67. I prefer to use 10. So if you use 10 right there, that is still okay. Also, you should note that the higher the number of grids, the higher the amount you have to invest for this. So you can see right here, I have put 10 grids right here. You can see the amount for my margin is the amount I can invest. So the lowest amount you can invest is $199.8. If I increase my grid to, let's say, 50, you see that the amount you can invest will be minimum of $1,000, will be $1,029 right here. So the higher the number of grids, the higher the money you have to invest right there. You have to take note. So let me reduce it back to 10. And also another thing before I go on, another thing you need to take note is that there is this thing called profit per grid. You can see 1.51% to 1.80% per grid. Now see, I'm using 10 grids right here. This means that this trading bot can take 10 trades for me at a time. So that means that the maximum number of trades I can have is 10 trades at a time. So let's, for example, it takes 10 trades for me today and everything enters profit. That means that for every trade, I'll be making between 1.5% to 1.8%. But let's say 1.5%, let's just assume. So that means that if one trade is making 1.5% profit, 10 trades will be making 15% profit. Let's say the next day again, it takes another 10 and then they all enter profit. That's another 15% profit the next day. But I'm just assuming that everything is entering profit. You should know that not everything will enter profit. You will lose some, you'll make profit on some. But I'm just assuming that everything is making profit. So that's just the meaning of this profit per grid. So profit per trade or profit per grid is between 1.5% to 1.8%. So once you've seen all of that, just enter the amount you can invest. So you can see the minimum I can invest right here is $200.3. So let me just go right there and just put $201. So I'm investing $201. So, and you can see my leverage. Don't let me forget that. The leverage. Remember, this is futures trading and you're using leverage. Don't forget. Now, for this, don't ever go above 10x leverage. You can go with 10x, 8x, 5x, so on. But it's just an advice. Don't ever go more than 10x leverage, please. Now, once you select your leverage and you've entered the amount you want to invest, the next thing you'll be seeing is your liquidation price. So this is my liquidation price right here. My liquidation price is $39,354.4. What does this mean? This means that if the price of BTC enters this price, I'll be losing all my money. I'll lose all my $201. That's the meaning. And if you're already doing futures trading, I'm sure you already know the meaning of liquidation price already. So I won't need to go into all of that. Now, the next thing you'll be seeing is this trailing grid. Now, for this trailing grid, I will advise that you leave it, but I will explain what it means so you can just know. Now, what is the trailing grid? If you turn on this toggle button right here, so let me turn it on. It will show you these percentages that you can pick. So you just pick a percentage. What is the meaning? This means that, let's for example, let's say I put 1% right here. What does that mean? This means that once this trading bot starts taking the first trade, every time the price of BTC moves up by 1%, my price range will also move by 1%. So the essence of this is that when the price of BTC moves up above $62,000, instead of the trading bot to stop trading, the trading bot will also adjust itself to meet that price so that it can continue to take trades for you. But for me, I won't advise it, so just leave it. So I'll just turn it off. And the next thing, you see where you have advanced settings right here. So once you click on it, for these advanced settings, you see where you have trigger price. Now, trigger price is the price at which you want the trading bot to take the first trade. So if you want the trading bot to take the first trade at $58,000, just enter $58,000 right here. If you want it to take the first trade at $60,000, just put it right here. Just any price you want to take the first trade. But if you don't put anything right there, that means that once you click on create order, the trading bot will start the first trade immediately. That's the meaning. So for me, I want it to start the first trade immediately. I don't want to put any trigger price. Now, the next one is the take profit price and the stop loss price. Now, because this is a challenge and I want to leave it for some days, I don't know how long I will leave it for. It is you guys that will put in the comment section how long you want me to leave it for. So because it's a challenge and I want to leave it for some days that I don't know yet, I will not be putting take profit and stop loss. So you can say I'm risking a lot for you guys. But if you are the one setting it, you have to put take profit and stop loss. Or you can. It's not compulsory though. You can put take profit and stop loss. So for example, let's say you plan to put your take profit at, let's say, $61,900, and then your stop loss at, let's say $50,000. You can put your take profit and stop loss right there. And then this grid order mode, you have geometric and you have arithmetic. For this, I will advise that you leave it at arithmetic. That's what I use. And also for this initial price limit, also put it at none. Now, once you've done all of this, just go through everything again and scroll down and click on create order. Now, once you've done that, it asks you to confirm all of your parameters right here. So you can see the profit currency, or the amount you are getting your profit, is USDT. The price range is 52,000 to 62,000. The number of grades is 10. The profit per grade is 1.5% to 1.8%. You also see your liquidation price, which is 39,558. You also see your leverage is 10x. Again, don't go more than 10x. Your margin is how much you are investing in this, which is $200. And then your grid order mode is arithmetic. Initial price limit is none. Close all positions on termination, yes. What does that mean? This means that if you cancel the trading board today, it will close every trade that is open. So if it's currently taking any trade and you close it now, it will automatically close all the trades and then you take your money. So right now you can see it says open a position of 0.004 BTC for you when the strategy is enabled. Now this means that if I click on confirm, this trading bot will take this first trade for me immediately. Remember that I did not put a trigger price. So if I put a trigger price, it will open this trade for me at that trigger price. But because I did not put any triggered price, this means that it will take this first trade for me instantly. So I'll just come right here and click on confirm. So just like that, it has been created successfully, and you can see our trading bot has started immediately. So it has taken the first trade, and I'm going to be leaving it for some days. Now, please guys, let me know how long you want me to leave this trading bot for. Do you want me to leave it for 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, 14 days, 21 days? Just let me know how long you want me to leave it for, and I will come back again to show you everything about how much I've been able to make, and also we'll talk about the trading bot, whether the AI one is better or the one I've created myself. Now listen, all of these things are for educational purposes, so you can be able to understand these things before you go and put your money in what you don't know. Now some of you have been saying I should do this same video on Bitget, Binance, KuCoin and so on. Now the thing is, I've done several videos about trading bots on these platforms, but some of you, maybe because you are new to my channel, you've not seen them. So I've put everything in a playlist. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. In that playlist, you'll find my different challenges on using trading bots on Bitget, on Binance, on Bybit, on KuCoin, and other apps right there. So I'll put the link in the description below. There's another app you want me to try out. Maybe the app has maybe trading bots or copy trading, or if there's anything you want me to try out on another crypto trading app, let me also know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.